Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix mouse not zooming in Roblox. First, let's ensure your mouse scroll wheel is working perfectly outside the game. Open a web browser or document and try scrolling up and down. Next, dive into your Roblox game settings to confirm that camera zoom is enabled. Also, check for any third-party applications or overlays that might be interfering with your game's input. These initial checks often resolve many common issues quickly. Now, let's focus on your in-game settings. Open the Roblox menu and locate the Settings option. It's crucial to confirm your camera mode is set to either Classic or Follow, as other modes might restrict zoom functionality. Additionally, try adjusting your camera sensitivity. Sometimes, a very low or high setting can inadvertently affect how your mouse scroll translates into zoom, so experiment with a few different values. If the problem persists, it's time for some troubleshooting. A simple restart of both your Roblox client and your entire computer can often clear up temporary software glitches. Next, ensure your mouse drivers are completely up to date. Outdated drivers are a common culprit for input issues. If all else fails, consider reinstalling Roblox. This ensures you have a fresh, uncorrupted installation, which can fix many underlying game file problems. For more advanced solutions, try disabling any browser extensions or background applications that could be interfering with Roblox's performance. If you have access to another mouse, test it to rule out a hardware malfunction with your current device. If, after trying all these steps, your mouse still isn't zooming in Roblox, it's best to reach out to Roblox support directly. They can provide personalized assistance for persistent issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.